this special occasion. I want to begin by talking about something close to my heart, and of course, that is love. To me, love stands for living our values every day. It is not just a word or a feeling. Actually, it's a commitment, a guiding principle, and the foundation upon which we build our lives. Before I go any further, let me ask you a few questions. How many of you have been in love? Can you raise your hand? Wow, ang daming nagmamahal. And how many of you have been in love and be loved and also hope to share more of it with others? Sino gusto mag-share ng love? Wow, thank you very much. Actually, these two questions are the two things coming in and out of my mind for the past 4 years when I built years. I mentioned this in the past that it was only my dream to actually help my family. And now I'm helping more. Nakakatawa kasi when I was able to join, hindi nakakatawa na, I'd rather say, nakakatawa to have learned and met a lot of business people in the community na ang tunay palang negosyante ay hindi lang naniniwalang kailangan siyang kumita. Ang tunay palang negosyante dapat marunong magmalasakit at magmahal sa kapwa. Kala ko dati abnormal ako. Gusto kong tumulong. When I was a teacher, it has always been my dream and passion to help my students achieve their goals. But you know what I realized? It's so hard to tell my students na aasenso ka, magiging okay ka, yayaman ka, magtatagumpay ka, even I myself can do that for myself. And then I made one decision. Sabi ko, for me to become successful and to have that impact that I wanted, kailangan simulan ko sa sarili ko. And I started making that decision at hindi ako nag-succeed. Actually, when I was writing my speech for tonight, sabi ko, ano bang pwede ko pang sabihin? Because most of the time, I've been sharing this to many people. Actually, I started sharing this with my staff. No? Sabi ko sa kanila, if you want to become rich, anong paraan? Kung gusto mo yumaman, you have to solve a problem. So, mas maraming problema, mas maraming reason para isolve yun, at mas maraming dahilan para yumaman. You know, I want to have this rich mindset, the abundance mindset, should I say, na hindi lang para sa akin, kundi para sa ating lahat. I always dream of having a company kung saan lahat kami mayaman. Mayaman sa pinansyal, mayaman at sa pagmamahal. Love has been a driving force in my life, especially the love I share with my husband, my siblings, and our family. It is the love that inspired us to bring yourself aesthetic and wellness center to life. We started this journey with a genuine love to help each other, and as we grew, we realized that this love should not be limited to just our family, relatives, and friends. We wanted to extend this love to more people, to more family members in the broader sense of the world. By the way, I would like to take this opportunity to thank my co-teachers. Can you give them a round of applause? They were my first investors when I started the business. Sabi ko sa mga co-teacher friends ko, friends, utang kayo, magtatayo yung negosyo. Wala naman din lahat silang ganong kalaking pera, pero namutang sila para paniwalaan ako. Can we give them a round of applause? I have never had the chance to share this before, pero nangako ako, sabi ko sa mga kaibigan ko, there will come a time that I would be able to help you. Sana I was able to do that as well. Sabi ko rin na sana isang araw, I would also be able to do this with other people. At slowly, with the grace of Jehovah, it's happening right now. Years of Aesthetic and Wellness was founded on the belief that when you love yourself and you have more love to give to others, our mission is to help each individual and find and nurture their sense of self-love so they can live more fulfilling and connected lives. By taking care of ourselves, we become better equipped to take care of those around us. As we celebrate this special occasion, our 4th year, I want to express my deepest gratitude to those who have made this day memorable. Thanks to Sir Kenneth, Sir Rick, Sir Alan, Ms. Lovely, and the entire marketing team. Your hard work, creativity, and dedication have not only made this event a success, but have truly captured the essence of what we stand for. Your efforts have made this day not just another event, but a memorable experience for everyone present. I would also like to take recognize our incredible brand ambassadors who have played a pivotal role in running the love campaign with our company. You have brought our vision to life, making our dream of spreading love and self-care a reality. Your enthusiasm, passion, and authenticity have resonated with so many, turning our message into a movement. Through your efforts, the Love Campaign has reached far and wide, touching hearts and inspiring others to embrace self-love. Thank you for being the faces and the voices of our mission. From the humble beginning of pandemic with 2 branches, we are now running our 12th branch of youth. That will be in Kapasigan. And of course, 3 baby branches of Felicity that also aim to give employment to many. To every member of our staff, I commend you guys. Your commitment to ensuring that Dear Self Aesthetic and Wellness Center remains true to its core is inspiring. We are committed to making each one of you feel valued and loved. You are the star of the night. You are not just employees. You are an essential part of our family. Your dedication, passion, and hard work make it possible for us to achieve our goals and spread our message of love and self-care. Sorry, mahaba, pero I have to. Our company believes in love through action. This belief is why we actively engage in various acts of love, such as our medical mission, and then of course we have the shoe project, and hoping that they'll have 5 to 10 more projects for the community. With our mental health awareness program, we would like to support and we would like you to become part of it as well. These initiatives are our way of giving back to the community and showing that love is not just something we feel, but something we do. We look forward to the continued support of our media partners in all our future endeavors. Your collaboration is vital in making these acts of love possible. Together, we can continue to make a difference. Remember, one act of love at a time. As we look forward to the future, let us remember that love is not just a feeling, but a powerful force. It is a choice we make every day, a commitment to ourselves and to each other. Even when we face trials and challenges, it is through love that we find the courage to overcome, the patience to endure, and the joy in every victory. Let us continue to express love. Again, salamat sa lahat ng naniniwala. Sometimes I could not count my blessings anymore. Having these people around me, ito yung pinakamalaking pagpapalang na tanggap ko sa buhay ko. At maraming salamat. Hindi kami malaking kumpanya, pero nandiyan kayo, naniniwala that one day soon we could make our best and we can make it to the top. Can we give ourselves a round of applause? At lahat to, hinihingi ko lang. Buti na lang, pwedeng manghingi. At kaya pala kumilay. Lalo na if the intentions are clear and if the motivation is good for everyone. So through this, I would like to continue to keep loving each other wholly. So let us be the embodiment of love in action, and let us always carry this love forward. Above all, let us remember that love is powerful. It is the thread that binds us, the light that guides us, and the strength that sustains us. Again, maraming salamat po.